Hi, Jesse. It was great meeting you this morning, and I want to talk to you a little bit about what you can do to make your application to graduate school stronger. Most graduate schools will ask you for several things in an application, as we would. And one of those being, of course, the online application, which you fill out and provide your transcripts and your GRE scores. So you want to make sure you get all those things in line and ready for the due date, which for our university is January 1st. What really makes a strong application is the letters of recommendation you get from people you have worked with in your research experiences or who have taught you in classes and know you really well. It's really important to pick people who can write really strong letters for you. And in these letters, we really need to find out from the person who's writing the letter what makes you tick, why you would be interested in the program you're applying to, and what attributes you have as a scientist and a young person, and to motivate you into a career that would be following in the training program that we would offer. And so when you ask people to write you letters of recommendation, talk to them about the things that you think would make a strong letter about you, so that you have an idea of what would be important for them to cover in the letter. And clearly their ability to judge your success as a potential academic researcher or someone to contribute to the field is important. But we also want to know that you're a good person to work with, and that you're a team player as well as able to work independently. So these are areas of a letter of reference that really provide strong information for us to piece together what a person is like on paper, because we don't get the chance to meet you one-on-one, and usually until we see the application. When you describe your actual personal experience in the research environment, make sure you're very thorough how you describe that, how well you've learned how to read the research literature and apply it to your work, and the professors you've worked with, be sure to name who they are, and so you can document really thoroughly those experiences. And those things all together, and getting that research statement and personal statement together with a lot of thought, because they actually take a lot longer to get down on paper than you think they might. So if you're planning on applying to graduate school, you might want to start sooner than later, to start writing these documents, and then get professors or colleagues or other people who are already in graduate school to read them over and add some comments that might help it be easier to read, or to take out information that might be too personal or too, not poignant enough to what you're trying to say about yourself and your ability to succeed in our academic environment. So I think that might help you, whether you want to apply to here or somewhere else, okay?
Okay, so that's effective.
Yeah, okay. Well, thank you.